Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. First, let me tell you what's on my lips because I love this color and this formula. I am wearing the Essence Wear Berries lipstick. It's number 09, Wear Berries, and this formula is amazing. I have a couple different ones from this line. They are amazing and super duper duper affordable. Definitely check them out. They are so just comfortable on the lips. Oh my gosh. But I got my coffee. I made my own cold brew for like the first time ever, and let me tell you, it's good. I usually from Starbucks get a vanilla sweet cream cold brew with extra cream and caramel drizzle in it. And I have a French press I've used never. Last night was the first time I ever used it, and I made my own cold brew. It was pretty great. But let's get into this. If you are unfamiliar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription, and you get 5 full-size items every month. Now, to get this, you do have to sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $10, and then right away, it'll ask you if you want to stay signed up to the Glam Bag, or if you want to go to the Glam Bag Plus. Or you could do both, depending on what you want. So I did cut this open, but let's just, because their packaging is always a pain in the butt to cut, let's just open this. It says Glam Bag Plus. You open it up and it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And we have this really pretty yellow foam. Before it was blue, but now it's yellow. And then you open it up and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you get a little card and it says your Glam Bag Plus to-do list. And then it says the theme for this month is Dive In. It says summer's in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shivering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Ipsy Dive In. And then in the card, it's got all the products and retail value. We'll go over that in a minute, but let me just pull out the first thing I see, which is by Benefit. This is the Benetint Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm not a big cream blush person at all, but it looks like this, and then you open it up, and this is what the product looks like. We got a highlighter from them not too long ago, but I'm not the biggest, cream blush person. I don't want to swatch this just because I don't know if I'm going to use this. I've tried the Go-Go tint, and this is just the Benetint, so this is not as red, but, I don't know. Let's read about that. Says Benefit Cosmetics Benetint, $30. Says apply 3 small strokes of Benetint to the apples of your cheeks using the applicator. Blend out quickly with your fingertips before it sets. Dab a drop or more on the moisturized lips using your finger. Yeah, I don't know if I'm really going to use that. I might throw that in a future giveaway. Not my vibe. I'm not sure. But let's just pull up the next thing, which is a mascara. It's the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, Length and Volume Orchid Stem Cell Complex by Thrive Cosmetics. I love the way they spell it. They spell it Cause, like C-A-U-S-E, Medics. So this is what the packaging looks like, super cute. That's what the wand is gonna look like when you open it. We got it in Bryn, which is rich black. I'm not a fan of mascaras. We get mascaras and, ooh, that's really pretty and very heavy, but we get mascaras in just about every box. I'm over it. I've put in all of my all my profiles and quizzes. I don't want any more mascaras, but they continue to give them to me, and I understand, it's just what comes in the box. It's okay, but I'm over it. I have so much mascara. Let's see how much that mascara retails for. Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, $24. That is insane. Let's pull up the next thing, which is by Pure Lease. Now, I'm a little worried about this because everything I've tried from Pure Lease has broken me out. I have tried quite a few things and they break me out really bad, so I'm really scared about this. But this is the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. It says lightweight, oil-free water cream, primes skin for makeup, and it's for oily combination to normal, even sensitive skin. And it looks like this. Let's open this up. So is this a primer or a moisturizer? I'm not sure, but it looks like this. Love the packaging. Let's read because how exactly is it supposed to be like a 2-in-1? Pure Leaf Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, $45. Yeah, it's a primer. It says tips, smooth a pea-sized amount into clean skin before applying your makeup or wear alone. So it's a primer, but it's got like a lot of moisturizing benefits. I definitely will try it out. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. I love a good hydrating primer, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. I just, fingers crossed it doesn't break me out. Let's pull up the next thing, which I am probably the most excited about this, which is really weird. It's the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist, and I just ran out of mine. Like, I have an empty bottle in my empties bin right over there. This stuff is amazing. It's got skincare benefits along with like a glowy property to it. Amazing. And it's only like 15 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Pixi by Petra Glow Mist, value $15. You could buy it at Target, but I love this stuff. I am so excited to have this. Not like I need another spray, but I love this stuff. By far one of my favorite setting sprays. And last but not least, which I am really excited about, is by Huda Beauty. It is the 3D Highlighter Palette. Now, I don't know what's going on here. You see that? There's like plastic. So let's just pull that off. Oh. Doesn't want to unstick to my hand, but there's plastic, but it was only on plastic. Like, there's plastic on plastic. That I didn't understand, but this is what it looks like. And look at that highlight on her eyes and cheeks. Holy crap. Okay, let's open this up. And then it's got another picture of her, which, I mean, she's really, really pretty. And then you open it up and it's got a little thing on the top that says Prep, Set, Sculpt, and Flush. And then on the bottom you have the shades. Very pretty shades. I've never tried any of Huda's highlighters. I've only tried their eyeshadow and liquid lipsticks. But it says #1, Prep, Apply Fiji as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. #2, Set, dab Seychelles from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Sculpt, apply Tahiti under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. Okay, I would never sculpt with that shade, too shimmery. And then Flush, sweep Zanny Bar on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Again, that one's a little too shimmery for a blush for me. But let's do some swatches. Oh, it's a cream. Okay, so Fiji is a cream. And then we have Seychelles, and Tahiti, and Zanzibar. Okay, they didn't kick up any powder. We do have one cream, which is Fiji. And 3 powders. Okay, 2 of these I would not use as a highlighter. But those are the shades. This is Fiji, Seychelles, Tahiti, and Zanzibar. Again, Tahiti and Zanzibar are just a little too dark for highlighters on my skin, but these two would be really, really pretty. I am so excited to try that formula. I've heard such good things, and if that's the highlight she's wearing in this picture, then yes, please, because I love a good blinding highlight, and this looks like it's gonna give it to me. And I love that there's 1 cream and then 3 powders, because that cream did set down and it's like not sticky or anything, and that would be really pretty. Like, let's just try to put some of the what shade is it? The Cyclist shade over top of Fiji. So I have Fiji. We're gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna put this on top of just half of it. So that shade down there is, like, this half has the stuff over, like the powder over it, and this half doesn't. So you can see putting that powder over it just made it pop a lot more. I'm so excited to try this. I love taking a cream and going with my beauty blender and just lightly dabbing it and then dabbing it on. And like, I love making the C shape because then you get that really pretty highlighter. I'm so excited. I love highlighters so much. That was everything we got in this box. I mean, the things I'm most excited for are the highlighter and the Pixi Glow Mist, and then I will use this. I'll try it. I'm just hoping it doesn't break me out. But this mascara, I'm over mascaras. And the Benetton, I just don't use cream products like that. If I do, it's a cream highlighter, and even then I don't use them very often. But that is all. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this is worth $25? I definitely do. We didn't check how much the Huda Beauty was worth. Let's see. The Pure Leaf was worth $45 and the Huda was worth $45. So you guys, these two products together are $90. $104.90. And then you have a $15 glow mist, which brings it to $105. And then a $24 mascara, which brings it to $129. And then a $30 blush tint. So this box was $159 and we paid $25. That is insane. This is one of my favorite subscriptions ever. I love it so much. We get a lot of good products. Some of the products we've gotten have become my favorites very easily. I just love this subscription. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it was worth $25? If so, let me know down below. Do you not think it was worth $25? Have you tried any of these products? Let me know down below. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions, and I love to just interact with you guys. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. But thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.